Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tag flip Galentine's Day swap that I did with Biddy Penny. She is Biddy Penny on YouTube, and she is one of the most creative and talented card makers I think I've ever seen. We did a tag flip collab. We called it Tag Your It. There were no rules. It was just to create some kind of a tag for each other. So this is the box she sent me. Mine is delayed getting to her. She is in Texas and they had some terrible weather over the weekend. It was supposed to be there on Friday and it wasn't there yesterday. It wasn't there today. They did tell her that it probably wasn't going to be there till Tuesday. So she's not going to be able to show what I gave her. But I just opened the cover of this box and I'm going to show you what she sent to me. So let's get started. So the first thing here is a card. Okay, so there's a couple cards in here. These are just blank. So I think one had writing in. Okay, this one had writing in. So here are two cards she sent with the cute little bear. It's got the pink heart on there. It says, "You make me smile. Happy Galentine's Day." That's super cute. Oh, I love that. This one is a layered card. It's got the bicycle on it. It says "Rolling with it." I love the bike with the floral basket. She's got the gold trim here in the back. Inside, she's got some stickers, a butterfly. I like that she puts the white cardstock in there so you can write your sentiment on it, and you'll be able to see it. So here's the little card she sent to me, and I'm just going to read it off camera. So she was so nervous because it's her first Happy Mail she's done like this. So she says she hopes it passes. She made a tag journal, put pictures on one side, and journal about the memory on the other. Oh, very, very nice. That is cute. It looks like it's embossed with gold. Oh, that's probably a die. Yeah, it looks like it's a die that's put together. That's cute. Okay, so as far as like the way it looks, she did such a great job. Mine does not look this great, and I feel like looking at what she sent here that I owe her another swap, and I told her that. So she's probably going to be getting something additional from me. Okay, so first of all, there's this cute little wrapped, you can see this little cat here with the glasses on is so cute. Little wrapped, oh, Hatch Chili Dark Chocolate. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Okay, I'll try it, but I don't know if I do not like spice that much, but I'm going to try it for sure. I'm going to give it to my brother. If I don't like it, he loves heat. So this would be perfect for him. Oh my goodness. With New Mexico Hatch chilies. That sounds so interesting. That's a thick bar too. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited to try it. I'll definitely try it. What a unique gift. So I'm going to put that over here. And then she's got some Ghirardelli dark chocolate mint and dark chocolate, both favorites of mine. So thank you so much for that. Oh my goodness. She sent so many little goodies. I'm definitely sending her more. Distress Oxide, I do not have any of this, and I've been wanting to start collecting different inks to use for backgrounds. So this is perfect. Oh, I cannot wait to try that. Thank you so much. That's such a pretty color too, Mermaid Lagoon. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a cute little cat on there. Oh, my daughter loves cats. We have two cats here, so she'll be excited to see all this. What is in here? Oh, look at those little conversation hearts that say, "Oh, love you." Too cute. So cute. Love. Those are adorable. Oh, that is such a cute little sequins mix. And it looks like it's from Cat Scrappiness, Conversation Heart Sprinkles. So, so cute. Aw, this is so sweet. And look at, there's like these tiny fortune cookies in here. Oh, and they each had like a little tag coming out of them. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So one says special, one says blessed, and then there's, yeah, here's the other one. This one says happy. Aw, those are so cute. I love those little fortune cookies. Thank you. Okay. Oh, some washi. Oh, that's a cute pattern. Look at that. Oh, let me get it in frame here. It's reds. I don't have anything like that. And it's got tiny little blue bows on, and it's from Sweet Stamp Shop. So, so cute. Oh my gosh, what's next? Oh, here's another little... Oh, this paper is gorgeous. Look at that. I love that color. And she tied each one with tulle. Definitely going to save those. Okay, so here is the tag flip. Look at this. This ribbon is so interesting. I wonder what that is. It almost feels like actual silk. That's really pretty. I love like the kind of distressed look of it. Okay, so the top of it, so you must have a cinch that you cinch this at the top, but then to protect the front cover and the back, she used it. It's probably like one of those Dollar Tree cutting board mats. That's such a great idea. And look at that little kitty. He's so cute, a little lucky cat. Oh, so perfect for Chinese New Year. Oh, he is so cute. I love that gold foiled paper. My gosh, and there's so many layers here. I was working on paper piecing some dies today, and I was seriously getting so frustrated. So I know how much work goes into these little details that you have to cut. So many. And look how she popped his little paw up. That is so cute. Okay, so I did see that she said one side you could put a picture on and the other side you can journal. So this is definitely like a frame. You can put a picture there, and I have a little HP sprocket, so a picture will fit perfect there. And then here is just a little card you can do journaling on, and it's kind of hidden journaling, so no one has to know. It doesn't have to be, I'm not a big journaler, like public journaler. I'll journal for myself, so this is perfect for me. Okay, so she did that on both sides, and I love how, look how she put, like, it's not just tucked in here. She put this extra piece here to secure the journal piece in there. So again, here is the place you could put your picture. Look at that tag. That's a cute collection. Oh, and the little fortune cookies. This is so cute. And another little journaling sheet here, and then underneath it, oh, I don't want to bend the paper. She's got a little ephemera piece from the collection. Oh, and there's a little tag here, so if you wanted to do something special on this page, you can flip to it. You can journal here too, or you can put like a title there. And here's another spot for the picture. This is so cute. Thank you so much. My gosh, so much work went into this. Look at how each tag too has a different bottom. So it looks like it's embossed or cut or both. So this one is scalloped and it's embossed. This one is embossed and scalloped. Oh, and the cute little stamp that she popped up there. Look at that paper. That is just such cute paper. I've never seen that before. So cute. There's little like clovers for luck. This says Our Story. So again, you can put the picture there. This has a tag in the back. Oh, and oh, I thought maybe the tag could pull out, but that's still super cute. Little horseshoe down there. The sticker says So Lucky. And again, look at it. Can you see it? It's embossed and cut along the bottom. That's really cute. And then you can see the paper behind it. It's such a bright and vibrant collection. Oh, I just absolutely love this. Thank you so much. XO, we are family. There's the little fortune cookie again. I love these little fortune cookies. They're so cute. I want to find a way to put those on the front cover to give it some dimension. Oh, then this, look how this can slip in here too. That's a cute idea. She's embellished it with some gold hearts. And she's got a flower here. Love these magic moments. And again, with the scallops and the embossing. This is so pretty. Oh, that is so cute. I cannot wait to fill this up. Here's again for your picture. And then Happy Little Moments. Oh, so, so cute. Oh, I love this so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate that. Oh, and then oh my gosh, you sent so much. This is crazy. Okay, so here is a foundation brush, but I bet you use this to blend your inks, don't you? Let me know if that's what you intended it for. I bet that is exactly what you used it for. It's so clever. And I'm not a stamper, so I need to practice. Oh, the prettiest pinks. Oh my gosh, there's like, can you see all the different color pinks in there? They look so similar, but there's clear and there's solid and light pink and baby pink and iridescent, and that is a beautiful mix. Thank you. Oh, oops. Oh, did this come out of the book? This might have came out of the book. I'll have to tuck that back in. Oh, and some extra pieces. Oh, look it. Okay, perfect. This is cute. That is a great idea. You're gonna have to tell me where you got these made. I love that. That is really cute. And then she sent along some Project Life cards. Wow, beautiful colors. Actually, these are some of my favorite colors too. And I don't have any of these. And they go with a collection, so I can use these journaling cards in here if I wanted to do additional journaling. So cute. Thank you so much. This is just so overwhelming. I love everything so far. Okay, there's even more. I did not send you enough. You can see the little tool peeking out. Look at how cute that pink tool is. And this paper. This has got to be, this is tissue paper, I think. Is this Dollar Tree tissue paper? Oh my gosh, look at this. There's that cat again. He is so cute, the little lucky cat. Okay, so this is so cute. I love that color. That's such a bright, fun pink. Tea kitten, what is that? I've never heard of that before. For 4 servings, so it's a tea. Oh my gosh, I love how it's called Tea Kitten. That is so cute. That is so cute. Okay, I can take these out. Okay, so this is loose tea in here. So it's got the steeping instructions on here. It's got vanilla flavors. Oh, I cannot wait to try that. That sounds so good. Okay, and then in the back, what is this? Reusable, oh my gosh. Oh, look at, these are little tea bags. These are reusable? Oh, okay, so this is a tea bag. So you take this sticker off and you can wash it, and then this is a reusable washable tea bag, and these are disposable ones inside. That is so cool. I have never seen that before. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try that tea. Oh, and they're the pearls. Look at that aqua color. That is so cute. I cannot believe how much you sent. You are definitely getting another package. Oh, and the butterfly. I love that. Here's some tags that go with that collection. And on their back are stickers, so I can use the stickers in the tag flip if I wanted. Cute little animal stickers. Look at that. Look, she just put a piece of the tissue paper in the back. Those are adorable. Adorable. Oh, I love these jemmies. I love when you can get different sizes like that. So cute. Oh, I love this so much. Here's some more extra paper I can use in the book. Oh, and little ephemera. Oh, and another ticket. I loved that ticket that was in there. Those are so cute. Oh, that's going to be perfect. Oh, and then a set of note cards. Those are beautiful. That is like a navy blue with the gold. Oh, you did such a good job. I cannot believe you were worried. I absolutely love everything. And you're definitely getting a second package from me. So, You guys, you have to go check her out. She is just an amazing card maker and paper crafter. I'm overwhelmed by what you sent. Thank you so much for swapping and for doing this collab with me, and I definitely would love to do one in the future. Thank you guys all for watching. If you haven't checked her out, please go check out her channel. Her and I kind of got to know each other just a little bit based off of YouTube. We kind of started YouTube at the same time, and YouTube recommended her channel to me and my channel to her. And I think she reached out to me first and said that we were about at the same number of subscribers. And then she suggested this collab a couple months later. So I'm so happy that we did it. And thank you. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.